Hi, welcome to Researchers Help. So this video is explain about local binary pattern. Normally, local binary pattern mainly used for image feature extraction procedure like classification or image retrieval. So let us consider an image. That image size is 256 cross 256 means this image having multiple number of pixels. So each pixels we have divided into subblocks. The subblock size is 3 cross 3. We have considered the center pixel difference of that surrounding pixels. The difference is greater than 0. That means positive. That value indicates as 1. The difference is less than uh, 0, otherwise negative, they are considered as 0. Then we have routine this binary pattern 0 0 1 0 0 1 1. So we have written in this way. So this binary value convert into decimal value. This decimal value is called local binary pattern. So it's a basic local binary pattern. So now we have seen advanced binary pattern. So it's nothing but local extreme binary pattern. So it's having the same procedure. So what's the difference mean? Here we have taken in example we have taken 5 cross 5 pixels. So in 5 cross 5, first of all we have identified nearest neighbor difference. That means local difference. So if you taken the third row means 34, 35, 29, 28, 28. So from that we have derived the local difference. 34 minus 29, this minus 5 minus 6. 29 minus 35 is minus 6. 28 minus, 29 minus 28 is 1. So first of all we have taken the local difference. Second we have the sorting the value. We are just sorting the value in ascending order. Then we have convert this negative value considered as 0 and positive value considered as 1. So normally in LEPP method we have considered in a different degree like 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and 135 degree. So each degree is getting from each and every value. So now is a D1 value is 0, 0, 0, 1. It's nothing but 0, 0, triple 0, 1. This is a horizontal. Another one is diagonal. So vertical. Then another one and diagonal. So we have taken in a different value. Then it's convert into decimal value. So now compared to LPP, this LEP having more important information. It's automatically improve the image retrieval accuracy, otherwise image classification level. Okay, so how will we have create in image? So let us consider, so image size is 256 cross 256. So and the one local binary pattern or LPEP size is 5 cross 5 means first of all we have taken this 5 cross 5 regions. Next we have taken the single column overlap. The same procedure is happen each and every region, nothing but this way. So the same procedure is a first thing. If you move on second row, it's come from this way. So each and every layer of pixel is computed with a 5 cross 5 or depend upon our local binary pattern radius size. So here we have using 5 cross 5. So I have show the example how will return the code for this concept. So in this code we have simply written, first of all we have read the image cameraman tiff. So whatever image we just read. So I have taken the grayscale image. So just we have say size of grayscale image is watching. Then just display their histogram. It's not a big, just draw a image histogram. Then original grayscale image and histogram of original grayscale image. Then only we have move on binary pattern for 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and 135 degree. So first of all, zero degree edges. So first of all we compute the gray image like row comma column. So row is 3 is to rows minus 3 and column is 3 is to column minus 3. So first of all we calculate 0 degree edges, 45 degree edges, 90 degree edges and 135 degree edges. Then do the process of sorting. Already we have mentioned the sorting process is happen on. Then it's convert into binary pattern. After converting this binary pattern, we have convert into 8-bit number. That means binary to 8-digit decimal number. This value is stored in each and every pixel of this local binary pattern image. Finally, we have displayed this local binary pattern image in a different angle. So this is the LEPP of 0 degree, LEPP of 45 degree and LEPP of 90 degree and LEPP for 135 degree. So it's mainly used for medical image retrieval or texture image retrieval. So many concepts we use.